Every modern business sits on a mountain of raw information. Look at this founder, late at night, staring at a screen, trying to make sense of it all. You connect your Shopify store, your payment gateways, and your CRM. The data flows in perfectly. But if you want to know exactly why sales dipped last Tuesday, you hit a wall. Getting one simple, accurate answer out of that massive pile is incredibly difficult. Because these systems don't natively talk to each other, your company's health is fractured across a dozen different browser tabs. Your e-commerce numbers live in one system, while your customer behavior is trapped in another. We've perfected the art of gathering and storing information, but the inability to rapidly understand that data and act on it remains the true bottleneck to growth. In legacy BI, data moves from the source, through cleaning, into SQL code, and to an analyst before becoming a dashboard. Here, it halts. To answer a plain English question, you wait 2 weeks for a data team to build a static chart. By the time that chart finally hits your desk, the sales anomaly you were investigating is already 14 days old. The reality on the ground has moved on. Traditional reporting traps you in lag time, while your business operates in real time. If you have to wait weeks to understand what happened yesterday, you simply cannot make competitive decisions today. Instead of waiting weeks for a dedicated data team, Vedax Studio cuts out that entire manual translation layer entirely, accelerating your workflow. Look at this hub-and-spoke model. Vedax connects directly to the tools you already use, like Shopify, PostgreSQL, or Google Sheets. Instead of a multi-week setup project, it automatically reads your data streams and maps them into aligned rows and columns in minutes. And here is how you interact with that organized data. Using a feature called Vedax Buddy, you just ask, which products grew fastest this month? Instantly, it hands you an accurate chart. In the background, the AI acts as an invisible veteran analyst. It translates your plain English directly into precise SQL queries to fetch the exact mathematical answer. By compressing that weeks-long pipeline into seconds, anyone on your team can get immediate answers without needing to learn a single coding language. But relying on an AI chatbot for business metrics usually raises red flags. Most generative AI tools have a bad habit of hallucinating facts or inventing numbers when they lack context. This comparison shows exactly how Vedax solves that. While generic AI spits out floating, unverified figures, Vedax operates on a strict no-hallucination protocol. It is chemically restricted to only reading and signing from your connected, real-world data tables. Every answer includes a direct citation and the exact background SQL code used to generate the math. If the data isn't there, the AI tells you, rather than making it up. It also monitors your platforms proactively. Vedax pushes automated insight cards to flag a mid-week sales dip, alerting you before you even ask. True business intelligence always requires absolute trust. Vedax gives you the immense processing speed of an AI, backed by the mathematical certainty of your own verified numbers. Most enterprise BI platforms charge you per seat, lock your proprietary data inside their cloud, and force you to play by their rules. Vedax takes the opposite approach. This illustrates the open-source Community Edition. Deploy it on your servers using Docker. Your data stays secure, running the full dashboard free forever. To add natural language querying, scale up. Cloud Starter and Professional tiers seamlessly plug in AI features as you grow. You choose exactly how much horsepower you need, maintaining total data sovereignty regardless of how large your company gets. A modern workplace operates smoothly when the friction is gone. You ask a question, you get an answer, and you move forward. The hours your team used to spend writing complex SQL or building manual charts are now finally spent actually analyzing the business and making strategic decisions. Your data now functions as a fluid, real-time conversation, accessible at the exact moment you need it. Stop waiting on reports. Start your 30-day free trial at Vedax Studio today, and just ask,